Hey, this is Casey from Casey Grandpa Tech, where we talk about tech reviews, tech solutions, and tech problems. And Grandpa having fun. Listen, today I want to talk to you about a product I purchased that failed on me, and it's a ladder. And you need to hear about this because if you own this ladder, you need to do something about it. Anyway, stay tuned. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and the like button, and we'll be right back with you. Hey, I'm back. And listen, I want to talk to you about this ladder I purchased. It is a Maxwell ladder. And I purchased it. One of the reasons I purchased it is because I'm 70 years old. And obviously, I need a ladder, a step ladder that's secure and has handles. And I can definitely know that when I'm on it, I'm not going to be able to fall easily. Well, let me tell you something. I purchased this a couple of months ago, and all of a sudden I'm on the ladder putting up Christmas decorations, and one of the steps just snaps and falls out from underneath me. And what basically happened is the rivet that holds the one of the limbs just snapped. And what I discovered, and I want to show you this, is a cheap aluminum rivet. And if you know anything about rivets, there should be, at least you shouldn't be using a rivet, you should be using a screw. Well, this didn't use a rivet. And that is really, really sad, because such a thing, the thing looks so perfect. You can look at it. Oh, it has handles, and it comes with a tool bag, and comes with this, and comes with that. Well, when I fell, it was like, whoa. And the other thing was, you look at what it says. It's the EdMaxwell 4-step ladder with handrails, 500-pound capacity, it claims. Okay, steps to a folding, non-slip ladder with attachable tool bag. Available from Amazon for $109. Okay, that's fine. But when you get the ladder and you assemble it, because it comes in pieces, you find out that in small print, written on the ladder, maximum is $325. Well, that's false advertising already. But not only that, how many times have you bought from Amazon? You see the ratings, 5-star, 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 and you look and you're reading. I should know better, and I should have read some of the readings for 2 stars and 1 star. And this is what I found, is that apparently this is a known problem with this ladder, that the pins, which I talked about, which should be made out of a screw and a nut right here, bend and suddenly shear off. And if you're stepping on that ladder, all of a sudden that ladder step's going to come out from underneath you, and you're going to be going down like I did, and I got scratched and bruised. Terrible, terrible. Not only that, when I tried to contact Maxwell, EdMaxwell's the company or their store, there is no email. There is no phone number. There's no way to contact it. I contacted Amazon. Amazon doesn't have a way to contact them. They tell me that they have no listing of how to get a hold of them. So, the next step, of course, would be for me to sue Amazon and this company, because I did get scratched and bruised. But that's not even the situation. I want to warn you guys not to buy this ladder from this company, because apparently, according to the reviews and according to what I've experienced, it fails without warning. And I have not had this ladder that long. I have basically, when I moved in here, I got the ladder so I could change the batteries on my smoke detectors, because I have vaulted ceilings. Okay? Very easy. And maybe occasionally hang a picture. And that's what I was doing. I was hanging Christmas decorations. And all of a sudden, the next thing you know, I'm laying on the ground with my leg wedged inside there. So anyway, this is Casey from Casey Grandpa Tech. I basically wanted to warn you. not to purchase the EdMaxwell 4-step ladder from Amazon. It failed on me. It is failing from other people. And so Amazon choice, don't do it, okay? Because I found that, number one, I couldn't find any way to contact them. I couldn't find anybody at Amazon to contact them. And number three was, I got hurt. And I don't want to see you and anyone in your family get hurt from buying this product. So this is Casey from Casey Grandpa Tech. I hope this information has been useful for you. Please like, share, and subscribe to the button. And hit that little bell. I'll be back with more product reviews, more product solutions in the future. Until next time, you have happy holiday, okay?